time for the light round quick best for Robert Pro. What's the same? The stock tender by sell just to go to course ahead of time. Much that first so far. You played it sound. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? Time for the light round quick. Let's start with Randall in Alabama. Randall.
A big Bama booyah, Cramer.
Roll Tide. What's up?
Roll Tide. I'm calling about my spec stock that's up over 300% year to date, 85% year-over-year revenue growth. To close 2 multi-year, multi-billion-dollar contracts is in talks with 3 other hyperscalers. My spec stock is Applied Digital, APLD.
No, this thing's hot as a pistol, and it does have a lot of great customers. Amazing leasing. I'm going to bless it. I would normally not bless it, but it does have the contracts. It really does. Let's go to Tom in New York. Tom.
Good evening, Jim.
Hi, Tom.
Thanks for taking my call.
Okay.
Jim, I want to know why you're complaining. Like Josh Brown calls you a legend. That's pretty good.
No, it was great. And I had such a great time with Josh on Friday. That was some show. He really is just a fantastic guy. And boy, I tell you, the clients, whatever you want to call them, the fans, whatever, they are dynamite. I just love that show. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Jim, I'm calling you about a company that you had on last November, and I put them on my watch list, and they were up at a high over 44 in July, and then they dropped down some. So I started a small position, and then they kind of went to earnings and fell off a cliff. I don't know. I'm wanting to know your advice on Kyndryl Holdings, KD.
Yeah, the last quarter was not that good, but Martin Schroeder's going to right that ship. I think you're buying an inexpensive consulting company right there. Really very good IT work. I think I would not buy more right here. I would buy some and then wait to see what the quarter is to see they don't have another bad quarter. And I don't mean to say bad. I mean less than expected, okay? Let's go to Lisa in Florida. Lisa.
Hello. Hi, Jim Cramer. Booyah.
Oh, hi, Lisa. Booyah back.
My question to you is on SMCI, Super Micro.
Yeah, I know they keep saying things are great, but I'm going to tell you something. I want you to sell that stock, and I want you to buy the stock of Dell right here tomorrow morning, okay? Buy Dell, sell SMCI. I'm going to Joanna now in Pennsylvania. Joanna.
Hello, Mr. Cramer. Thank you for taking my call.
Oh, well, you're welcome. What's up?
I have a stock that's making me crazy. Terawulf.
Okay. Yeah, well, this is no, look, if you want to have Bitcoin, the amazing thing about Bitcoin is you buy Bitcoin. I want you to sell Terawulf. Now, look, the shorts could run it in my face, and there's a big short position, 31%, and it could go up. But I don't have any conviction, so I can't tell you to buy it. Let's go to Ben in Tennessee. Ben.
Hey, Jim, thank you for taking my call, buddy. I really appreciate it.
You bet.
I'm calling about a cybersecurity company that recently went public, Netscope, NTSA.
Yeah, look, there's 2 cybersecurity companies. There's CrowdStrike and there's Palo Alto. And then there's just everybody else. And we're going with CrowdStrike. We're going Palo Alto. Let's go to Jeff in California. Jeff.
Booyah, Professor Cramer. How are you?
Partner? I am good. How about you?
Good. I'm Jeff from Walnut Creek, California. I've been watching Bad Money for 20 years and a founding club member.
Oh, fantastic. Thank you very much. Thank you for being a member of the club. What's up?
Good. I was in your neck of the woods in the Reservoir Tavern in Boonton, New Jersey last week, and they have a framed photo of you. They have a framed photo of you. Yeah, framed photo of you.
I love that place. I love that place. I went there with Haley and Beebs. Amazing. It was just so much fun. How can I help?
I know. The question I have is on the stock Thredup. I purchased it about a few thousand shares back in May of this year. Held it for 2 months, made a nice profit, sold it at $6.07.
I got to tell you, Thredup is one that eluded me. I'm going to have to go to Professor Ben Stoto, who I know knows Thredup like the back of his hand, and we're going to get right to the basis of that one. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.